Yo, I just got home from work because some BS, but I love my life. It's 3:46, really? And you know what is this? What is this?
Hey, that's cool, dude. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. That's cool. Don't I'm putting a blanket on you. Go. Somebody's breathing too hard. Someone's breathing too hard. Ready?
No, wait on. Get the cookie in here. Is it light? I love it. Go, you don't mess around here like normal. We ain't doing nothing different. Come on, get up on this. Cookie, you went there. You gotta do it. Playboy.
Wait, what do I press? No, it's recorded.
I got you right here.
Ready?
This is what we do.
Ready?
Right here.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Did you just wink at him? Wow! I didn't know he had a wig on. I thought it was a blanket. I mean, bro. This is what happens at 2.
Seriously, this really happens. You know what? I think someone should walk down in their underwear right now for just fun. Like, I think they're granny panties. Not just like underwear, but like perhaps granny panties.
Was it? No, hold up. I didn't even ask that question.
Yeah, let's be honest.
It was? It was?
Yeah. What happened was...
What happened? Ooh. Should we check?
He only needs one lung, technically.
Oh, okay.
He's gonna hack out the other one. Okay, here we are. Because there's like 800 videos of Malibu ever since we posted one.
There should be.
So.
No, wait, I started it. What do you want to get?
Right.
I started
Matilda.
pictures.
This is
video.
He is my sweetest picture tweet pick buddy. And to the haters, yeah, we are cute. So you know what?
Cuter.
She's 6. Get over it.
You motherfucker. We are not together.
We're not together, but we're always together because we're all together as a family, as friends.
Yes, and we weren't making out in that video. It was a hug.
It was a hug.
It was one of these.
A hug, because he's number one.
Y'all jealous anyway.
Because you know what? Real friends do this stuff. You know what? We're not friends like, oh, we're friends, but we used to have sex. Oh, we're best friends, but we used to fight. No, we're all friends. No, like, broke back, no homo, no sleeping, no girl, no ush, no no daddy, no nothing.
No.
Friends. Friends.com.
I got a dad. .com.
Yeah. And you know what? This is how we only do it right now at like 4 o'clock in the morning.
3:50.
I love these boys. They've been with me like prior to like 2 weeks ago or every single day of the month, like or week. 'Cause I made the movie Sacramento. Well, lightweight. But Pilates, Thursdays, every fucking dollhouse Thursdays is the best. But then when I see them Friday, I get like uber excited. Uber? And then on Saturdays, I get toe touches. That's genuine. Nobody else does that.
Word.
And this guy here, I can't wait till this fucking liver comes to Sacramento, man. I'd be like, Jack is back. It's back. Ooh, we can fuck them. I love it. Because you know what? Hey, hold it down though. This guy, he works and he friggin' flies back and he drives back. And you know what? He rides in the back of a truck. He falls asleep.
Who's trunk?
That guy's trunk right there. Playboy, I baby. Who's trunk?
Fish sticks.
Ninja Turtle.
Okay.
So, Matilda, what happened was, on top of that, real talk, this fool DJ'd hardcore to the fullest till 6 a.m. And you know what? He took all of our requests, and we didn't even have to tip him.
What? Right? He gets paid in Hennessy.
Yeah, but what he did do, though, was sit in a corner by himself and ate the shit out of the tacos.
Okay, go ahead.
Look at this. Oompa Loompa.
Wow. Wow. Where's he going? Where's he going?
Can you ready with the Dolphin?
Wow,
dude, that
hell in the pig whip.
Little Kim, come here real fast.
Who owns the pig? Interview.
Can I see your BSG? What happened with you and stuff like that? How do you feel now? That like
Show me your tits. Let's go. Show me the tits.
Little Kim, big nipples. How do you feel right now?
Get big nipples.
You say your nipples are taller than you.
How do you feel about this now?
About what?
What? Why are you looking at this? I said, what yours?
Because you got a Little Kim shirt on too. Look at you.
Oh, I do.
Mm-hmm.
I do. I'm mad with you. Did your crocodile hunted you?
Good day, mate.
Good day, mate.
Jealous in her chest, though.
Yes. He going in. He going hard. And he is fucking on fire right now.
Dude, that's you need to be in RuPaul Drag Race.
Talk to the camera, crocodile hunter.
Yo, the interview.
You just read it. That's all you have to do with that.
Good day, mate. we got possums running around here. I just see one just like right through here.
You keep yourself for
Get a good back. There's a possum.
Wow.
There's a possum.
Oh, wow.
He hates that dolphin.
Yo, like. You gotta touch that. Woo! Woo! Possum attack. Possum attack.
Oh, you got this. We need to sign off appropriately.
Oh, sign off.
Matilda.
Sign off.
Disco. Matilda, I already said enough. You see his face? You're so confident.
Alright, so we're at 250.
Signing off.
Signing off.
Who is it?
Peace. Everybody at 250.
Word up.
Family.
Alright.
Aw, I love